Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to promote your small business using Google Ads, you've come to the right place. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process to help you get more clicks and reach your target audience effectively. Let's dive in. Step 1. Define your objectives. Before you create your Google Ads campaign, it's crucial to define what you want to achieve. Are you looking for more website traffic, increased sales, or greater brand awareness? Setting clear objectives will guide your ad strategy. Step 2. Know your audience. Understanding your target audience is essential. Research their demographics, interests, and behaviors. Identify where they spend most of their time online and what keywords they are likely to use when searching for products or services similar to yours. Step 3. Create a compelling Google Ads account. Start by creating your Google Ads account at ads.google.com. Follow the prompts to set up your account, selecting the appropriate settings for your business. Make sure to choose the right billing information to avoid any interruptions. Step 4. Conduct keyword research. Use the Google Keyword Planner tool to find relevant keywords for your ads. Focus on keywords that reflect your business offerings and have a good search volume. Long-tail keywords, phrases that are more specific and typically longer, can often lead to higher click-through rates. Step 5. Design your ad campaign. Choose the type of campaign that best suits your objectives. You can opt for search ads, display ads, video ads, or shopping ads. For most small businesses, search ads are a great place to start. Write compelling ad copies that include your keywords, highlight your unique selling points, and include a strong call to action. Step 6. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Decide how much you're willing to spend daily on your ads and choose a bidding strategy that aligns with your marketing goals. Options like manual CPC, cost per click, or automated strategies like target CPA, cost per acquisition, can be effective depending on your expertise and objectives. Step 7. Targeting your ads. Use the targeting features available in Google Ads to reach your desired audience. You can target by location, language, device, and even interests. The more specific you are, the better your chances of getting clicks from the right audience. Step 8. Monitor and optimize your ads. Once your ads are live, monitor their performance closely. Google Ads provides valuable metrics like click-through rates, CTR, conversions, and cost per conversion. Use this data to tweak your ads, testing different headlines, descriptions, and keywords to optimize performance. Step 9. Use ad extensions. Take advantage of ad extensions to provide users with more information and improve your ad's visibility. Extensions like site links, callouts, and structured snippets can enhance your ad, making it more appealing to potential customers. Step 10. Analyze and adjust. After running your ads for a while, analyze the results. Look at what's working and what isn't. Make necessary adjustments to your ad copy, keywords, or targeting options to continually improve your click rate and overall campaign performance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button if you found this video helpful. Happy advertising!